In this program and in this Capstone project, our international students find lots of comfort in showing off their own home country, like a Japanese or Korean or Chinese, South American theme. And it works quite well in our baking and pastry application.
So for this project, we had to choose a country, and I chose Saudi Arabia as it is one of the closest things to me. And so in this, we had to pick a theme where we picked something very specific to the country, and we made food based on it.
My concept of the Capstone project is Hanami festival, cherry blossom festival in Japan. So my major flavor is yuzu and strawberry. This is our product. This is the tradition mooncake, including 5 different nuts. I think it's very healthy. This is a rainbow mooncake. Inside have salted egg and red beans. This have a lot of layer. And this one, I think that's purple sweet potato. And this is yam. Inside is jujube paste. I think I try to make healthy food for our project.
I chose Germany for our final capstone. We have lots of good desserts. I'm excited. My interested one is the Bavarian tart, which everyone did more of a sweet tart, and I went with a savory. So it's got more of like the sauerkraut of German flavors in it. Course-wise, it was amazing. Great opportunity. Recommend the 2-year program. The 1 year, go for it. It's like a lot of fun.
For all our new oncoming international students, this is really what you can expect. All the different traits and skills from baking and pastry, what is required in our domestic and international market, you will get to learn over here in this program at Conestoga.